Hello guys, my name is Kendra and I'm going to solve your problem if you are unable to open a new document in Adobe Photoshop 2020. Here's the problem. If you press on new and create a new file, it just simply won't create a file. So what is the solution? Do you need to change the version? No, you can still use the upgraded version of Adobe Photoshop. Just need to do few things. Go to edit, preferences, general, and then you have to press this use legacy new document interface. As you check it and press OK, file, new, put your details, and bam, here you go. Here's how you can solve this problem. Thank you so much.